Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing Owo, a very special delicacy from Edo State for the Edos. Let's dive into it. I'm using beef, shaki, and cow leg. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Then I'm blending tomatoes, pepper, and onion, salt for taste. I'm adding dry prawns as well. I remove their head and I'm gonna be blending the head. I'm adding stockfish, crayfish. I'm blending crayfish as well. I'm adding a cow, that is potash, dry catfish, and one bouillon palm oil. Now let's start the cooking. So I cut part of the onions, dice it. I'm going to be using this to cook the meat. Add a little bit of salt, half of the bouillon. Put it together, cover and let it cook for the first 10 minutes of the cooking. For the potash, that's the cow, you blend it or you just dissolve it with water so that you don't have sand in your food. Blend the crayfish, tomatoes, onions, and the pepper. Add the stockfish to the meat, add water, and cook it for another 5 minutes. Debone the catfish. My meat has been cooking now. Add cooked beef from my freezer. Add more meat. Pour in the tomato blend. Add in the prawns. Don't forget I blend the head of the prawns. Add in the catfish. Put it together, cover, and let it cook for another 10 minutes. See, my sauce is there, almost. Add in the potash. You have to sieve it so that you don't have sand in your food. And when you add your potash, you have to be careful so that it don't foam out. That is what we call a cow. Add the other half of the bouillon, little bit of salt. Taste before you add salt because potash is also salty. Cover, cook for another 5 minutes. And we're gonna be enjoying it with plantain. You can enjoy this with cooked yam as well. See, I'm cooking the plantains with the peel. You can peel your plantain if that's how you want it. My owo is almost ready. I will just off the fire. Let your owo cool down completely. So my plantain I cook with just a little bit of salt and water. Plantains are ready. Owo is completely cool. So now I'm adding the palm oil. As you add, you stir. So this is Owo, special delicacy for the Edos, for the Benis. It's ready, plantain is ready, and I hope you guys are going to try this. It's so delicious. One of my husband's best food. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.